Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just AI Space, your go-to destination for exploring the future of artificial intelligence. If you're into AI tools, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because here we break down the smartest tech shaping tomorrow. Today, we're exploring an incredible AI tool, Vidu.com, that transforms your text prompts into high-quality, realistic videos. Yes, really. You type a few words and AI brings your imagination to life on screen. In this video, we'll look at how the Vidu interface works, how to generate cinematic scenes from simple prompts, and whether it stands as a strong competitor to giants like Sora. Vidu offers multiple models, Vidu 1.0, Vidu 1.5, Vidu 2.0, and the most powerful so far, Vidu Q1, which delivers the most cinematic and natural-looking results. New users also get 4 free welcome credits, 20 bonus credits when you subscribe to their newsletter. And it's not just visuals, you can generate AI-powered sound effects too. Plus, Vidu provides unlimited templates across categories like trending, love and relationships, pranks, ads and commerce, festivals, animation, and more, all plug-and-play ready. Whether you're making vertical short-form videos, cinematic trailers, ads, explainer content, or reels, Vidu supports a wide range of formats to match your creative goals. Let me walk you through how I tested each feature inside Vidu. For the first prompt, I used the text-to-video feature. All I had to do was type a simple description and boom, Vidu 1.5 turned that into a cinematic shot of a vintage car speeding through the desert at golden hour. It was fast, smooth, and surprisingly realistic. Then for the second prompt, I switched things up and used the image-to-video feature. I uploaded an image and paired it with a short prompt, and Vidu 2.0 brought it to life perfectly. The playful kitten scene looked natural and cozy with soft lighting and fluid motion. Boom! It felt like the AI understood every little detail. And for the third prompt, I tried out the reference to video feature. I used an example clip as reference and described the motion I wanted. And again, using Vidu 2.0, it generated a beautiful cinematic beach scene, complete with smooth side tracking and perfect visual consistency. Boom! It was like watching a real film scene unfold. You can recreate the video and you can publish it, you can download it, and you can upscale the video to 2K, 4K, and you can share the video and you can also delete the video. Quick tip: want better results? Be specific. Describe camera motion, lighting, and subject behavior clearly. The more detail you provide, the more accurate and realistic your final output will be. What makes Vidu powerful is not just the models, but how well it understands direction, camera motion, environment, lighting, and character control. And when paired with the right prompt, the results speak for themselves. If you're a creator, marketer, or just someone who loves testing AI tools, Vidu.com is something you should try. In the next video, I'll explore more cutting-edge tools. Until then, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below how you'd use Vidu in your own projects. This is Just AI Space, where creativity meets cutting-edge AI. See you in the next video.